Hi everyone, Jess from the admissions team here. Today I want to cover one of our most frequently asked questions. What are verified documents and how do I do this? As UCEM is an online university, we only ask for electronic copies of your documents with your application, not the originals. As an additional check, we ask that these copies are verified by an independent person before they are sent to us. Don't be confused by the signatures that you find printed on such things as your degree certificate. This does not mean that your certificate has been verified, only that the institution has agreed that the award has been given to you. You still need to get your copies verified. Anyone in a professional occupation can verify your documents. They could be a doctor, solicitor, teacher, police officer, commissioner of oaths, manager or director of a company, a member of a professional body such as RICS, CIOB, an RIBA, or a chartered accountant. The only condition is that the person cannot be related to you, live at the same address, or be in a relationship with you. Alternatively, if you are based in the UK, the Post Office offers a documentation certification service. Note, there is a small charge for this. Please ensure that you show the originals to the person who is verifying your copies. Any copies sent to UCEM must have been verified in the last 12 months. The person verifying your documents will need to write the following statement on each copy. I certify that this is a complete and accurate copy of the original. They then need to sign it, print their name and include their job title, a contactable phone number, the date of the verification, and the name of their company or employer. If they have a professional membership, such as RICS, ask them to include this number as well. Your finished verified document should look similar to this. The statement and details of the person verifying your documents will need to be written on the front of every document that needs to be verified. Once this has all been done, send your verified documents to the admissions team. You can do this by email or by uploading the documents to your application. If anything is missing or the verification of the document is incorrect, we will ask you to redo this. If you need any further help with this, please take a look at our frequently asked questions page or call the inquiries and admissions team using the number on screen.